Well, I'm running down the road, trying to losing my love. I got a 7 woman's on my mind. For just one meet you that stone me. One, she's a friend of mine. Take it easy, take it easy. Don't let me sound your own wheel, drive me crazy. Listen why when you see you can. Don't ever try to understand. Just found the place you stand. Take it easy. While I'm running while I'm standing on the corner in a western Arizona searching fountains. It's a gal, my lord, on the flat shoulder and go. Take a look at me. Come on, baby, don't say baby. I gotta know your sweet love is gonna save. May we lose and may we win, but you never see again. Up and climbing and so take it easy. Well, I'm running down the road, trying to losing my love. I've got a world troubles on my mind. It's a gal, my lord, and she's so fine, hard to find. Take it easy, take it easy. Don't let the sound be your own wheel, like crazy. Come on, baby, don't say baby. I gotta know your sweet love is gonna save me. Now I'm running down the road, trying to losing my love, but a 7 woman's on my mind. Try to losing my love. I got a world troubles on my mind. I'm looking for a lover who wanna blow lover. She's so hard to find. Take it easy, take it easy. Don't let me sound your own wheel, make me crazy. Come on, baby, don't say baby. I gotta know your sweet love is gonna save me, yeah. Acho maneiro a parte dele fala a sound of your wheels make me crazy. O som do sapato dela andando, né, the wheels, né, da mulher, né, andando, rebolando assim, faz ele ficar louco, né. Ele tá tentando arrumar uma namorada. E o mais engraçado dessa música que ele fala assim, ó, agora ele tem 7 garotas na lista dele, né? 2 for that homem, 4 estão devendo a ele. 2 já roubaram ele. E uma diz que é amiga dele. Aí ele fala, take it easy, don't let me sound your own wheels drive me crazy. Aquele, né, saindo. Listen, why when you still can, don't have a try to man, não tenta entender. Aí depois tem uma que olha pra ele e não fode. Aí ele fica louco por ela e tudo, mas depois não. Ele pede pra ela dar uma chance a ele. Porque ele fala uma vez, up climb and so take it. Up I'm climb. Ele tá a fim de, pô, se trepar na mulher. O cara manda isso, não. Não vai rolar assim.